Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Diana the Paper Pineapple, and I hope everyone is having a happy weekend. I'm ready to document week 24 in my Project Life album. I went ahead and printed out my pictures. I did a couple of 3x4s, one 4x6 collage, and I did use, I believe it's PicLab. For that, and then I did end up printing out two 2x2 pictures on 3x4, I believe. So yeah, I went ahead and printed my pictures, and I'm gonna use a Becky Higgins, I believe it's called Fun Day. It's an older collection. Sometimes when I run out of ideas what to do, I just grab a little kit that's already ready to go. All the colors go with each other, and really just add a little few things to embellish, and it's good to go. So I'm still catching up, trying to catch up, guys. And for these two pictures, I actually, when I have a selfie printer, when I print out my pictures, it kind of leaves like a bottom piece right there. I did use, I believe it's a different frame for these, and it just left a white bottom, and I thought, you know what, it kind of looks like a Polaroid. So I went ahead and just trimmed those off and used it as is. And then I went ahead and grabbed some wooden veneers, decided that I would put these on this picture. I'm gonna go ahead and take you down my week. The top picture is a picture of my husband. He was working late, and I decided to bring him dinner, and I ate dinner with him in his office, so that was kind of nice. Hence the glasses, because my husband uses glasses when he's on his computer, and so I thought it was perfect for that. And then the middle pictures, the 2 3x4s. The one on the left is a picture of me and my bestie, one of my besties, Blossom, and we had gone to go celebrate my birthday, and our friend Nikki, she gifted us both, because one was for Blossom, because Nikki didn't get a chance to get Blossom a gift, so she gifted both of us dresses, and so we were twinning at church, and we decided that we would take a picture together. And so that is that picture. The picture on the right is a picture of the kids. We ended up going to see, we went with my brother. We ended up going to see Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse, a new one. I can't remember. I always forget the titles of the movies, because there's like so many of them, right? But anyway, that's that picture posing in front of the poster at the movie theater. And then the bottom pictures, the two little 2x2s, are pictures of, we went to go get our nails done, my daughter and I, and they're nail fees. So I thought I'd print those out and add that to the layout. And I did add a little tab. It's a little striped little tab that I had on my desk, and so I thought it'd be perfect for that. And then I just take out my Tim Holtz Small Talk stickers. I decided the picture needed something, the one of me and Blossom, and I did end up picking one. I can't remember what it says. Well, I can't read it because honestly it's really small as I'm editing and doing this voiceover for this video. Something about looking, I don't know, darling, something like that. I can't remember. You'll have to watch it when you guys see it. And then, you know what I noticed? I'm just doing the voiceover right now for the weekly cards, and I made a boo-boo. So I do apologize for that. I did not catch that. It's supposed to say June 11th to June 17th, and I forgot to erase the 0. So it says 107. So sorry for that. I'm going to see if I can go in and fix it and then repost it fixed. So I'll try to do that. I'll work on that. And then I end up taking out a stamp set. I believe it's a Ali Edwards. It's like a June stamp by the month, or one of those month kits. Came the little stamps. And I did end up using Here Comes Summer for the bottom 4x6. Now, as I'm working on the right hand side of the right part of the layout, I did end up using another Polaroid at the top, and that's just a picture of our snackies, and they weren't even a picture of all of them because we had so many. I just included just this one. I'll include the other one in my little summer mini album, but for now I guess I'm just going to use this. And then I'm going to just take out a couple of these cute little paper clips and decided that I would use a pink one, a smaller pink one, because I thought the ice cream, because we did end up eating ice cream. Veronica creates, and her kids and my kids are really great friends or besties as well, and we get together, well, we try to get together almost every week, and it's pretty fun. And so this particular day was our summer kickoff party, and we ended up using, we ended up going to her house, and we had an ice cream sundae, Sundays, and then we ended up having pizzas, and we did gaming, and we just had tons of fun. Veronica and I did a little crafting, and that's always the best times. So I wanted to document our Sundays, and so each one of the kids had different toppings, different ice creams, and they had all the toppings, and yeah, it was a blast. So this particular frame is also in that Pic Lab, I believe it's called. I'll go ahead and put it in the description. I believe it's free. I like it because it gives you different options to put. When you have so many pictures, it's always great to do photo collages. So anyway, that was that. And I love this picture of my other bestie. I have lots of besties. My bestie, my ride or die, I should say, Amy, and she is Crafty Chaos here on YouTube. You should go check her out, check her channel out. She just had her baby, and I just love this picture of her and Jordy, and I just made it black and white just because it gives it more of a, I don't know, just like a timeless feeling. And it's special. It's my favorite picture so far that I have of her and Jordy. And I ended up taking out a sticker from the Tim Holtz Small Talk stickers, and it says something along the lines of when you believe in miracles, or something like that. I can't remember, and I can't see. I don't have it in front of me, but it's just special, and yeah, it's beautiful, and I decided that was just appropriate for that picture. And the one on the right is a picture of my husband. He met Jordy for the first time, and he was holding him, and I love it because he's making this kissy face, and I think it's so cute. So yeah, I had to print that one out and put it in. So yeah, those are my two favorites. I wasn't feeling well, and Veronica and Amy came by to come and visit, and she brought me Jordy so that I could love on Jordy, and so yeah, it was the best. I just had a migraine. Nothing contagious, guys, don't worry. I didn't get the baby anything. And then I went ahead and used this other stamp set, this other stamp from that same stamp set is, I think, the Joys of June, which is very appropriate because it is the month of June. Well, in these pictures it is, because now we're in July. But so when I go ahead and journal, and I just name my top five joys of the week, and I just go ahead and journal with my pen. It is a 0.3, and it's one of my favorite pens, honestly. I picked it up at Joann's, and I believe it's from Paper Studio. Very affordable. I really do recommend. And they give you, I believe, 3 sizes, 0.1, 0.3, and 0.5. So it's like perfect. And then I just put that in the pocket, and I call it good. This layout came together really quickly, and here it is. I'm just going to do a quick flip through. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and hope you guys are inspired to work on your layouts or just get your craft on. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a like, and if you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate all of you, and I wish you all a beautiful Sunday, and I hope everyone is enjoying their summer. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. See you guys in the next video. Bye guys!